Hello beautiful people, today I'm gonna show you websites where you're going to get online jobs at the comfort of your home, and the good news is they want freelancer from around the world. So watch this video up to the end and please don't forget to subscribe. Welcome. All right, the job title is called transcriptionist for those who are interested to become transcriptionists, and the website is called rev.com. What are the responsibilities, the roles you're supposed to do is as follow. Responsibility include converting audio files into accurate written text. The role requires excellent listening and typing skills to handle various audio contexts. How much can you earn? You can earn around $25,000 per annum at the comfort of your home. All right guys, so those who are interested, you can apply, and the good news, they want freelancer from around the world. Let me click the link so that you can be able to see the website itself and what is required of you. So rev.com, this is how it looks like. Rev freelancers job, let you work from anywhere from around the world. So earn money transcribing, captioning, or subtitling from anywhere, anytime. Create a flexible work schedule. Our freelancing jobs allow you to work as much or as little you want whenever you want. Choose from hundreds of jobs. Enjoy selecting from a variety of projects that actually interest you. Our vast network of customers mean a steady stream of freelancing jobs to choose from. Get paid weekly. You get paid weekly. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal account for all work completed. Rev is on time and dependable. Remember, you need to have a PayPal account before you start working for them, because that's how you're going to receive your money. So rev.com, this is how it looks like for those who are interested. So how to apply is in 3 easy steps. Take a quick quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. Then you submit a transcription or caption sample, which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. And the last stage is, if you're approved, you'll be able to register and start earning right away. Guys, don't miss out on this opportunity. Remember, this is a legit website. They have worked with companies like Forbes, they have Huffington Post, they work at Home Wife, the Business Insider, and many other platforms. So guys, go ahead, don't miss out on this opportunity. Remember, they want freelancer from around the world, and of course they're going to evaluate you to see if you have the necessary skill set. So make sure you pass the evaluation test. The other website is called Online Tutor. Online Tutor, that's how it looks like. The website itself is called tutor.com. Responsibilities, the roles are for the job, you're supposed to deliver personalized online tutoring session in specific subject areas, assessing student progress, and offering targeted feedback to support learning. How much are you going to earn? You can end up earning an average of around $30,000 per annum at the comfort of your home. So the link here, I want to show you the website, how it looks like, so that you know. So this is tutor.com. Online tutoring jobs. Become a tutor. Why tutor with us? This is a application question and answer section. I know people are interested to know why you should work with them. So okay, what are online tutor responsibilities? Connecting online with students of all ages to provide homework, help, and tutoring in the subjects for which you have a demonstrated expertise. Guiding students to understand the topics they bring to each tutoring session. Encourage students to engage actively with their topics to build deeper understanding. Helping build students' confidence in their ability to learn and to understand challenging concepts. Using state-of-the-art online tools such as interactive whiteboard, video, voice, and chat communication application sharing. Classifying each session according to the scope and sequence of the topics discussed. Changing lives one at a time. Who are tutor.com online tutors? Many types of professionals have found part-time remote work with tutor.com. Teachers, these are teachers and retired teachers, college and graduate students, math professionals or experts, science professional or experts, computer science experts, and of course, and the list is endless. But at the end of the day, they have the experience and they have the skills that you're looking for, so that they can become tutors, so that they can tutor you at the comfort of your home. Am I qualified to become a tutor for tutor.com? All right, so they are reviewing. So right now they are reviewing. So they are only taking people who are residing in the US, have a valid social security number, are eligible to work in the US, are available to tutor at least 5 hours per week, are an expert in the subject, or of course you can check all the requirements that they are looking for. So guys, go ahead, don't miss out on this opportunity. They want tutors, and of course you must be residing in US, and of course you must be legally able to work in the US. Guys, go ahead, don't miss out on this opportunity. Remember, they are looking for you as long as you have the experience. The online work is called Task Contributor. The website is called toloka.ai. And what are the roles for the job? Responsibilities include participating in various online tasks such as data verification and moderation at your convenience. This role involves completing an initial training session to understand how to perform specific tasks effectively. Ideal for a side hustle with an average annual earning of around $20,000. Apply Toloka. So this is how it looks like, the website. So let's click on the link. I want you to see the website, how it looks like, guys, for those who are interested. So this is how it is, Toloka website. All right, so get paid to do short online tasks, earn money wherever and wherever you want. All you need is a device connected to the internet. Start earning money, click on that button. So how it works: take a few minutes to sign up. It's totally free. Complete quick training set to learn how to do a particular type of task. Pick the task you want to do on your computer or in the mobile app. Careful, read the instructions and complete the assignment. Withdraw your earnings from Toloka account with one of our fast and secure methods, and then tell your friends about Toloka and get referral bonus. Toloka app, this is how it looks like for those who are interested. So someone who's from Nigeria, Toloka is an easy to use and intuitive. I spend about 30 minutes to 1 hour on task at home, and when I'm on duty, especially at night. It has helped me to gain skills that I never knew I could learn so easily. I accumulate money I earn online in Toloka on my account and then use it for my spare time. This is Godwin, and then there is Erica from Peru. Say, I earn extra money from Toloka when I am at home and spend about 4 hours a day doing small tasks. The money I earn online is used to pay for my studies. The platform is practical and reliable. Also, it developed my skills, and I have learned to compare pages, check products. Okay, so, this is another some testimonial from Roberta. Roberta has said he's from Mexico, and this is what he has to say. With Toloka, I can generate some extra income. I use money to buy subscription to streaming services. It has helped me entertain myself in those moments when I don't have much to do. The tasks are not complicated at all and are quick to complete. So Toloka accepts everybody from around the world, as long as you can complete the task and you get paid at the comfort of your home. Remember, they want you and they'll pay you. So make sure you have a PayPal account, because that's how you're going to receive your money for those who are residing outside America. So guys, don't miss out on this opportunity. Go ahead and apply. The other website job title is called Internet Feedback Analysis. The website is called We Localize. And what are the job responsibility? You are supposed to browse the internet to gather information and provide insightful feedback. This role requires attention to detail and ability to apply critical thinking skills to evaluate various types of content. Earnings vary based on work location, with an average annual compensation of around $50,000 per annum. So where does this website looks like? So the website itself is called We Localize, and this is how it looks like. Location type, freelance, location, translation. So translation, localization, interpretation, question and answer, testing. So this is how it looks like. Okay guys, global freelance and agency opportunity. Remember, they have freelancers job for everybody from around the world. So English US into Spanish, so you're supposed to translate that. You can apply for that job. English into Albania, you can apply for that job. English into Cherokee, you can apply for that job. English into Thai, you can apply for that job. English French into Russia, you can apply for that job. Esperanto in linguist, you can apply for that job. Finnish into English, freelance, German into Spanish, Hebrew into English, Italian, and many other types of jobs. As you can see here, they have jobs for different type of different languages. So those guys who have foreign languages, and literally you have a job here. Remember, they have jobs for everybody. Remember, the world has over 100 languages, and if you have
If you can speak multiple languages, good for you. It means you can get this job and do it. If you can speak French, Germany, Italian, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, Thai, Filipino, and many others, they have jobs for you. What you need to do is just go on this platform, apply. They have it. They're looking for you. So application is not hard. It's a matter of you clicking the job that which are there for translation work. If you have that language, you can speak it fluently and you can translate that work. You go ahead on this platform and apply. Do not miss out on this opportunity. Remember, they want freelancers from around the world. As long as you can speak the language, as long as you can translate the job, go ahead and apply. Don't miss out on this opportunity. You can end up earning over $50,000 per annum at the comfort of your home, just doing translation work. I wish you all the best. Good luck. Bye bye.